Hi, I'm Citrus Maloney, and just in case you don't know who I am the social media manager for Confessions of a Refashionista. And it's me because, like, I'm a Gen Z, and Sheri is super duper old, so she doesn't know what she's doing with social media. So that's where I come in. And first of all, hello, how cool is my outfit? It is very vintage Y2K. I have my faux fur bucket hat, my heart sunglasses, my vintage Care Bars t-shirt, and of course overalls. And to top off the outfit, these really, really cool bangles made from chopped hems, you know, from when Sheri like shortens pants and stuff. She keeps the hems and makes these really cool bangles out of them. So the tutorial will be down below for you. But this is actually what we are talking about today in Troll Time. And I'm doing Troll Time today because it's all about people, you know, talking about Sheri's age. And I know she's old, you know she's old, she knows she's old, and these people just really want to kind of pound that into her head about how old she is. So let's see what they said about these, okay? All right, so let's see. Susan says, I don't know a soul who would wear any of this. Maybe preteens, and not even sure about that. Okay, Susan, first of all, you're not the fashion police because the fashion police doesn't exist. Second of all, you kind of look a lot older than her, so maybe don't tell people younger than you what they should wear. It's totally not cool. And okay, next one. Next one. Okay. Next one comes from Ty. I'm thinking that's how you say that. I'm not sure, so I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, but I'm gonna go with Ty. So Ty says, don't know how old she thinks she is, but oh, I think she means but oh, wouldn't even let my kid wear them or destroy her jeans like that. Okay, as was previously explained, and as is explained in the video, no jeans have been destroyed. I don't know if you're hard of hearing because maybe you're a little bit older, like Sheri is, but no jeans were destroyed to make these. These are all chopped hems from when she shortens pants for her or her kiddo or friends or whoever. She doesn't throw out the chopped hems in the landfill. She holds on to them and makes these quite cool little bracelets. So, yeah. And as far as her age, I think once again, we all agree she's really, really old. Okay, she's super old. All right, next one. Next one is from B. And B says, she seems old enough to know better. Okay, so here we are again, talking about age. And if Sheri seems old enough to know better, B, you should certainly be old enough to know better than to go be an asshole to strangers online, right? Right, okay, next. All right, next is Jill. And Jill writes, would rather wear a nice platinum watch and a nice diamond ring, not that tat. You keep it. Okay, so it seems like Jill, more than anything, wanted to kind of humble brag herself, like, and be like, ew, I have platinum watches and diamond rings and blah, look at me, I'm so great. So that's really weird. That's like a weird thing to say. I would rather, well then don't make it, right? Like that's, again, the easiest thing. If you don't want to wear it, don't make it. It's so simple. But once again, it's, you know, all of these people that think their opinion is so important and everybody should listen to them because I don't know why. And for me, I just really feel sorry for the people in their lives because if they talk like this to a stranger online, how do you think they talk to the people that they supposedly love? Like the criticism must be deep during family dinners there. But yeah, anyway, these are great. and Sheri loves them. And these ones, she actually made a really long time ago, and they are so super cool, and they're still looking awesome. The fray on them makes them even cooler, and you don't even need to like know how to sew. This one she just made, oh, here. This one's like a cord hem, and this one is just, you know, glued on. These little rosettes are glued on, but they're so super cool. This one is this one is super duper cool because these is 2 hems from her daughter's outgrown baby jeans. So it's actually something kind of special as well. And yeah, so clearly her daughter isn't going to fit in her baby clothes anymore. And again, she made this a really long time ago. So all the links for all of these will be down below. And what does she always say? Oh yeah, until next time, stay safe, stay well, and she'll catch ya on the zigzag. Oh, right. And you know what? She has like TikTok, and I mean, Facebook is kind of for old peoples, but she still has Confessions of a Refashionista Facebook page, Refashionista Sheri TikTok, Tumblr, what else? Go to refashionistasheri.com, and all the social media is there. You can like follow her there, and that's like me doing the work behind the scenes. So yeah. Anyway, okay, gotta go. Bye.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.